ingredients. We'll add salt. We'll add some chili powder for the taste. Mix it. And our noodles is ready. I'm going to do one tasting challenge. My mummy made something in a bowl which I don't know what is it. I need to cover my eyes like this and taste what is it. If I guess it right, I will lose. Guys, my mummy got the bowl, so I need to cover my eyes and see what is it. I need to taste what is it. My mouth is open. Let's see. Sorry. This is salt, guys. I don't know what is this. It's sugar. What is this? I don't know what is this. Oh, this is lemon. I got it. What is this? Chili powder. Thank you, ma'am. Before we get tasting challenge, but today this time we're going to do a smelling challenge. My mummy got something in a plate which I need to smell. Some fruits or vegetables. I don't know what is it. Let's see what comes. Now close my eyes and my mummy is going to get up. Let's see. Okay. She got it. Oh yeah, she got it. Let's not start with this. The orange, yeah, the orange like this, I don't know. And this is small lemon, this is lemon first. Why is it so long? Actually I know. Red or green, I don't know. Maybe green. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself Hiba of class 3rd B, and today I am going to guess the food items by smelling them. So let's start our activity. So these are cinnamon, these are cloves, these are cardamom, these are garlics, these are curry leaves, these are coriander leaves, and these are tulsi leaves. So thank you. Good evening to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Hiba of class 3rd B, and today I am going to guess the food item by tasting them. So let's start our activity. So the first one is carrot, the second one is ginger, the salt. The fourth one is sugar. The fifth one is red chili powder. And the sixth one is honey. So thank you.